So in that program, firstly my object is created, that is obj. The space is allocated for that object, and that object contains the n1 member. Okay, if I'm calling object dot input member function, then it will accept the values from the user under this object n1 value. Suppose I'm entering a value of n1 as a 5 under this object. Then after that, again I'm calling the display function using this object. So it will display the value of n1 which comes under this object obj. So it will display firstly 5 on the screen. Then after that I'm calling the operator function using this object. So object obj contains the n1 data members, and using this object I can call the operator function. So it will take the value of n1 as n1 is equal to n1 plus 1. So it will increment firstly the value of n1 means 5 plus 1, so which is equal to 6, and this 6 is again get stored into n1 variable which is comes under the object. So this value is deleted and here it will come 6. So here 6 is stored in n1 variable under the object obj, and using again this object I can call display function. So this display function will display the values of n1 and which is equal to 6 on the screen. Okay, so our output should be 5 and 6. Getting? So this is the program. Firstly I'm calling the input function, then display function, then operator function, then after that again display function. So it will display the value of n1 and first n1 value before operator function, and after operator function it will show the incremented value like this. Fine. Now here I am defining this operator function inside of the class. Suppose I want to define this operator function outside of the class using scope resolution operator. Then here I am giving the semicolon. Now I am defining this operator function outside of the class like this. Firstly the return type, then this operator function belongs from which class? So this operator function belongs from the num class. So class name, scope resolution operator, then name of the function is operator keyword and plus plus symbol, no arguments, so empty brackets, curly brackets open, curly bracket close. Now here I'm incrementing the value of n1 by 1. So n1 is equal to n1 plus 1. So in this way, you can define the same operator function outside of the class using scope resolution operator like this. Okay, so save this program, again compile, 0 errors, run. It will ask you the value. Suppose I'm entering a value of n1 as a 8. It will show the value of n1 before increment and after increment. So the value of n1 before calling the operator function which is equal to 8, and after calling the operator function the value of n1 becomes 9. Okay, so in this way you can overload the unary operator plus plus using member function. So either you can define this operator function inside of the class or outside of the class using scope resolution operator. The choices depends on you. So are you getting, guys?